episode of My Legacy Garage. A little goofy, but still a good episode. What we've got coming up is, obviously, introduction to the new project. We're going to talk a little bit about that. Not a lot though, it's just a teaser, come on. We've got some channel news for you. We'll cover a little bit of what's been going on and why the postings have been a little short. And then we've got a blooper reel because, well, Jessica is awesome and she takes all those things that I do wrong and the kids do wrong and she compiles them all into one big long video. And then we took little snippets of it, you know, kind of the cream of the crop. And we're going to put it onto this video so y'all can enjoy some of the interesting moments that we have. Stick around. The new project. I know it's been a minute since we had a new project around here and, well, you know, we've been busy. We'll talk about that in just a second, but first, I know y'all want to know what the story is with this car. It's a 1955 Chevy 210. It's not a Bel Air. As you can see, it's been chop-topped 4 inches. I didn't do it, somebody else did. I haven't touched it since we brought it in here. I mean, nothing. That's not true. I put a tarp over it when I painted the Jeep. That's the extent of the touching it, okay? Now, what I like about it is, number one, it's a Tri-5 Chevy. Number two, it's V8 powered, 283, but still V8 powered. Hasn't ran in 10 to 15 years. Guy couldn't really remember. It was sitting in his garage forever. And it's got a 4-speed, a Muncie 4-speed in it, no less, a rock crusher. So he started taking it apart to put a diesel engine in it. I guess that's a thing now, I guess. Anyway, that's what he was going to do to it. So I have to put it back together again. That is the next project on deck. As soon as we're done with, you know, the Jeep project. I know 12 of you are really excited, but the rest of you don't care. This thing though, it's going to be awesome, I swear. So make sure you like if you want to see what's going to happen to this car, and you subscribe if you want to see what's going to happen to this car, because it's going to be pretty cool, I promise. To all of our loyal, loving subscribers, we love you guys. And I'm really sorry that we haven't been putting out consistent videos for y'all. We've been super duper busy, 2 kids in sports, work has been crazy, and the Jeep has been sucking the life out of me. I, for some reason, had forgotten how long it takes to take something all apart, do all the body work, all the painting, and then put it all back together again. It is a ridiculously long amount of time. And I've been trying to just kind of buzz through it with minimum video footage because really I don't want to put out an 1.5 hour long video on painting the Jeep. Who wants to see that, right? So there is a video coming out on finishing this. As you can see, there's been progress made and it will be out sometime soon, I hope. All right, y'all. Enough of the news and me just talking. Well, there'll still be a little bit of that because some of these clips require explanation, so you're gonna see me again. Sorry. But for now, enjoy these bloopers because, well, they're funny. Anybody who has kids know they will say the darndest things. You also don't want evidence of things that they do that you allow them to do, like sniffing gas. I do not condone children huffing gasoline fumes, but occasionally, rare occasions, the fuel is so rank that you just want somebody else to share in the misery. Sometimes they also are super hyper and they just don't hold still and you need to tell them to quit moving. And sometimes it's funny to just say things like, pink pajamas, penguins on the bottom. That's your cue, dude. Do it.
Pink pajamas, penguins on the bottom. Pink pajamas, penguins on the bottom. Pink pajamas, penguins on the bottom.
I guess the first thing we should probably do is you need to quit moving. You're making all kind of noise with your feet.
Did I smell it?
I hope you didn't just mess that up. I hit the record button so it's not recording. 99% of the time, I work out here in the garage by myself. But sometimes, I need help. So Jessica, being the lovely assistant that she is, she comes out and she helps. And let's be honest, guys, we don't communicate well. I needed to tell her if I'm talking to her, talking to the camera, talking to the wall, talking to myself. You never really know. And that pretty much sums up what happens here. All right, the brakes are all bled. The brakes are all bled. Oh, hold on, honey. I'm talking to the camera.
How am I supposed to know that?
Sorry. The brakes are all bled. We're going to test them out here and make sure they work. Well, it spins. Hit the brakes, honey. Is that all it's got? Honey?
Are you talking to me now?
Yes.
I don't know what you said, like.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to ask you to push on the brake pedal when listen for it, okay? We can voice over the pictures that I took, you know, put them up in a nice artsy fartsy zoom in, zoom out way. You know how you do. You're awesome. And then we'll go straight to looking at the truck.
Bunch of that footage is junk.
The next series of videos is all about teenagers. Anybody who's got teenagers knows that they know everything. Don't they, AJ? Mm-hmm. Everything. Even when you're watching them do something wrong, like cover a microphone with their finger. Luckily, we've got an external mic now, so that problem's solved. Either way, AJ's a big help around the shop. He plays a big part, mostly behind the scenes on the camera. He does a lot of the filming. He's always helping with projects. He's a good pack animal for carrying stuff. But he's there, and he helps, and he deserves the credit. And he also deserves these bloopers. Enjoy. Are you strolling? Let's go. AJ, this hose is going to be in the way.
No, it's not. It's not in the way.
Okay. I think that's going to do it for this episode of My Legacy Garage, and, well, also for this truck. I know some of y'all might be disappointed I'm not going to go further with it and try and fix stuff up and go through the brakes and all that stuff like I did with the last one, but this one just isn't worth it. I wouldn't get my money back out of it. All right, we're going to stop right there. You're covering the microphone. I'm looking at your finger doing it. Quit walking. That's a part of don't move. Did you not hear?
Don't get out of the water.
Fuel pedal. Right. It's always the right, AJ.
Alright.
Recording. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Stop.
Recording.
Alright, kill.
Recording. 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 I'm recording. Recording.
Recording. Recording. You can shut it off.
Recording. Recording. Go. Okay, it's recording.
Listen, guys. Nobody's perfect. I know, shockingly, not even me. But I mess up. A lot. Here's just a few little snippets just to give you a little idea. And look, sometimes it's not my fault. Sometimes it's Mother Nature. You know, like birds, crickets, stuff like that. But especially birds. Mother. Shut up.
GoPro, stop!
Close your door.
There's a camera! Oh. You almost ran over the camera.
It's blowing out. It's because I'm an idiot. It's pretty fun. Well, I reckon that's about as long as I run and want it. Damn it. I hope that y'all enjoyed the vid. I try really hard to not say things like and duh, and you know when I'm trying to think of what to say, because sometimes I'm just brain dead. But what I have a hard time with is so. And Jessica does a really great job of cutting them out. But in order for her to make it okay in her brain that she has to do that because I can't just not say so, she puts them all together and makes me watch them. So enjoy this little tidbit and have yourself a chuckle at my expense. I'm okay with that. So So I think we'll, so without further ado, cut that. Cut the so too. So, damn it, I said so again.
Yeah.
Thank y'all so much for watching another episode of My Legacy Garage. I'm glad you stopped by. I hope you got a laugh. I hope you were informed and understand what's coming and why we've been delayed. And seriously, if you want to see what happens to this car, like, subscribe. It's free. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.